1 train, 2 train, 3 train, 4 train. Maybe on the other side, I think 5 train. There are always trains around, but every time, every train goes different tracks and places. As you can see here, the tracks, they go differently. Not all are straight and not all go the same place. All go this side, some go this side. Yeah. As you can see now, here's a Rapperswil train. It's going to Rapperswil as it to drive again 1 round from the side from St. Gans and come back again to St. Gallen. Not come back again to St. Gallen, but it will go to Rapperswil and it will stop there and go to a new place. That's how the trains move around, and they always pick people and they always bring people to the place they want to go. Just like we went in the train and came here to St. Gallen while we want to be here, then they brought us here to St. Gallen.
That's nice. Wow. Nice one, my dear. So like as she said, this is train station St. Gallen in Switzerland. As you can see, this train is going direction St. Gans, okay? All the way from St. Gallen. It's going direction to Cool. I think I'm seeing Cool. Yeah. So this is it. So any city you would like us to video, please drop it in the comment section. We are going to make a video about that city. Here is a big Bahnhof. Like I said, Canton St. Gallen. This is the biggest Bahnhof in Canton St. Gallen. As you can see, it has different railway going different places. So guys, this is St. Gallen Bahnhof. From here you go to city, and from city you go to any different places you want to go. So we are going to take you guys along to video the city St. Gallen for you guys. Don't forget to comment and like, and don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel so that you'll be updated whenever time we post our videos. So these are the shops in St. Gallen under Bahnhof. Like I said, okay, they have different shops here where you can buy anything of your choice and continue your journey. This is the reason why I love Switzerland very, very much. Switzerland is very organized. Switzerland is neat. Switzerland is #1 in the whole country, if I may say. So if you have any question or you want to know more about St. Gallen, please drop it in the comment section. Here are the glasses where the train are going to. So, in case if you are lack of money, you have your bank to withdraw some money. This is UBS and this is Post under the Bahnhof. So these are the destinations where the train are going. Here we have 1705 direction Rorschach, and we have 1705 direction Lutzell, V, Heriza, Vatville, Usnach, and the rest. So when you go down, you see different destinations where the trains are going. Yeah.
So this is an elevator.
Genau.
And press it. Like this. Then you put it to 0 since you're going up. When you're going down, you press -1. And now we have to wait. As you can see here, it's moving. And now, so these old houses we have here, they was built in the 7th century. Now is where in Canton St. Gallen, you can find here lawyers. Very, very good. This is like a side where you have the old houses. This yellow house there, the top one, and here is Bahnhof. The front is another side again, which is different. Yeah, this is everything I know. And don't forget to subscribe, and like this video, and share.
So this is SBB
Yeah, this
St.
is
Gallen, which is the
SBB,
Bahnhof, okay?
CFF and FFC S.
St. Gallen.